Welcome everybody back to the Tech Woke channel. On this channel, we talk about cybersecurity, career, and life. And in today's video, we're going to talk about whether you can work two jobs in the Govtech field. So on the government side, you can work two jobs. There's only two stipulations. One, it can't interfere with your current work. And then two, it won't be a conflict of interest. Like for example, say you're working a job in the Govtech space. It can't be during the same working hours that you're currently working your current federal or state job. So it can't be within those hours. And then the second thing is it can't be a conflict of interest. So for example, you cannot work as a contractor because it's a conflict of interest in case somebody's bidding for that contract. So they see it as a conflict of interest. So you cannot work that job, but you can work any other job. And as long as it's approved by your agency that you work for. So you got to go through management and then just get it approved through your agency, and you can work two jobs on the government side. So on the contract side, you can work two different jobs. So there's a couple of stipulations on that. So you can work two different jobs in different agencies. And so you can't work two jobs, like for example, in the DOD. So you can't work two in the DOD. It has to be like a DOD and like the State Department. And then also too, like you have to get it approved through your company so they can know that, you know, they approved you and things like that to work two different jobs in the government contracting space. You can work two different jobs or a 1099 for the same agency, but you got to get it approved through your management to make sure that's okay. Because some people do that and they automatically gonna get flagged because they have to look up your clearances and things like that. So you can't work two different agencies, but as long as you get it approved, and for both jobs, you still need to get it approved. So as long as you get both of them approved, you should be okay. So I hope that explains whether or not you can work two jobs in the GovTech space. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe to the channel, comment down below if you have any different opinions. Remember, everybody, check out the Patreon to upload a lot of different content in the GovTech space, cybersecurity, things like that. Also, check out the newsletter. And remember, everybody, get 1% better every day. Peace out. I'll see you on the next one.